Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger, but you're not here to see me, you're here to see the animals. So here we go. We do. It's a warning to each other. Also supposed to be a notice to the lions that they've seen them and they don't need to be chased. Waste of energy sort of thing. It doesn't say they're young lions, they're easily distracted. And a fresh impala probably smells a lot better than a rotten buffalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's a male, he's going to be a lot bigger than his sister. They are brother and sister from the same litter. You see they have a favourite auntie. Greet her first before they greet the other one, because the other lioness has new cubs. So they need to reinforce their bond with the lioness that doesn't have cubs at the moment to make sure that she still looks after them. The lioness with the new cubs is only interested in her new cubs.
Listen to them.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, station. There's a Mapogo, Lami, and Lofo at Inyati Causeway. If anybody's interested, are there any updates this afternoon?
Matt, there's Torchwood on open channel around the short cast.
Whoever's interested in the Ngara, they're all poozering at Shanley Dam at the moment. Often one of the last birds to eat at a carcass. It's the first one down today.
Confirm, I didn't hear correctly to that station that was interested in the dog, so they're going to be joining here in Inyati Causeway. I think at the moment it's
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe and share and all of that sort of stuff. Thank you. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag NowFilming for live updates from Safari.